Welcome to my AEP880 diversity presentation for week 4. This is geared towards what it looks like in my district as well as the state of Kansas as a whole and even within my own school. So this is what we would need to know. So within the district that I currently am teaching in, we are primarily made up of Caucasian students. About 83% of our students are Caucasian, just within my own school. So within the state of Kansas, white students have a better chance of graduating from high school than any other race. And we will look at some of those statistics later on in this presentation to prove this statement. So within our state, 88% of Caucasian students have graduated. So keep in mind that 88% could be relatively high compared to some of our other races that we'll get to later. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of those other statistics. These are the other races that are present within our district. So of the African American students, there's 1.3%. 9.4% of our students are Hispanic, and of all of the other races within our district, they're categorized under other, being at 6.5%. So what does the 6.5% of other all encompass? Mostly Vietnamese, some are Pacific Islander, we have Chinese, a few Japanese. Most of them are just exchange students. So within our high schools that do host these exchange students, what I think is really great is that we display all of the flags of all the countries from where all of the students who are attending that school are from or where their heritage is from. So graduation rates for all of these students that I just listed have increased, but they are still lower than those who are Caucasian within our state, which remember was at 88%. So African Americans within the state of Kansas are only graduating, only 75% are graduating. So that's just 3 out of 4 kids. 77% of the Hispanic students are graduating, while 86% of the students who are listed as other are graduating. So diversity within our own district has been continuously decreasing since 2013. When we had looked at our statistics in 2013, we had about 3% of our students were African American, and now we're down to that 1.3% that I stated earlier. So why would this be important for us to know? Teachers help build the atmosphere within our district, and we're preparing our students for a culturally diverse world. And we're teaching them these 21st century skills, and some of those skills are going to encompass, learning how to respect and communicate with others who come from different cultures. And they're not exposed to that very much in our own district, unfortunately. And those that they are exposed to aren't graduating at as high of rates as those who are Caucasian. So we need to make sure that we're very cognizant and very aware of the diversity issue within our districts so that we can help prepare our students who are here for that world that they'll be going out into once they find their career. So all of our students need to know that we do believe in them and that they can succeed, and we want them to succeed. Be the teacher who throws our statistics out the window and welcome every single child in there. And then hopefully our district over time can grow and become more diverse and successful. Thank you for watching.